because they already touched. The market was already there inside. Okay. So now the market is coming to this one. You will see the market from here. Market from here, it will react. Maybe come down to this order block over here. And then again here comes tens. Goes up. Easy. Because there's an order block here on H1. Can you see that this candlestick got engulfed? Kevin Hart, The Rock. You highlight the whole part of Kevin Hart. Then expect the market to turn inside there. Then you know, yeah, turning. Stop loss if you enter just there. Just outside, 5 pips outside. Okay. So you guys get it. Okay. So in order block, you must always look for fresh order blocks to minimize losses. Because once you see that this order block has been used, if you use it again, you might hit stop loss. There's high chances that you might hit stop loss. I see this one. Where's this one? I see it entertaining an order block. This one. It was spiking too many times here. Maybe it was giving you an opportunity for you to enter. I don't know what it was doing, but it was spiking too many times here. But remember what I always say, inside a spike, there's an order block. Inside a spike, there's an order block. Let me try to investigate what's inside the spike over here. Because remember what I always say, inside a spike, guys, you'll find order blocks. Let me investigate what's inside here. I just want to find out what's inside this area. Why is the market reacting here? I just want to find out. Just want to see myself. If I see nothing, it's fine. Okay, let me see. I just want to find out. Look here, there's an order block. Here is it. Can you see what I said? Inside a spike, you will find an order block always. Can you see? Respected, shut down. But now this is too big for me. Me, I want it smaller. I want it smaller. I don't see an order block. I see this one over here, and it tapped and go. Tapped, but it didn't go too far, but it's profit. Hey, profit is profit. But let me see on M1 if I can find something, an order block somewhere there. There's an order block here. Right over here. There's an order block. Let me highlight this area. The reason why I'm saying this is an order block. Look at the market. It covered even this one, hey? Even this one. This bearish candlestick covered the whole week, including the body. Even this one, it did the same thing. But let's investigate what happened. I see a lot of spikes there because this order block has been used before. So I'm seeing a lot of spike. Market is throwing spike in that area. Can you see that? You enter, stop loss, just 5 pips. Let's say you enter somewhere here. How many pips is that? This is this 2 pips, ne? This is 2 pips. This is 2 pips, 3 pips, 4 pips, 5 pips. Market didn't even get close. You sell there. Even it didn't even get close to 3 pips. You sell. Market drops. Market drops. Where was it now? Market drops very hard. Now imagine, count guys. Count with me. Imagine if your stop loss is $50 and your stop loss is very close here. Imagine $50 here as your stop loss inside there. And the market shot down till here. That means this very same size, if your stop loss is 3 pips, your stop loss is not even 3 pips. Wait, let me see. If your stop loss is 3 pips, 3.5 pips, or 3 pips, and the market shoots down, let me see how many pips it shot down. The market shot down 45 pips. Now you have to do maths. 45 divided by 3, you'll get your answer. That 3 is your $50 because it's your stop loss. Now, 45 divided by 3, 15. That means you've made 15 $50. You know what I mean? If your TP was there or somewhere there, that means you've made 15 $50. The market went your direction 15 times your stop loss because your stop loss was $50. So the market went shot down your direction 15 times more than your stop loss. So that's 1:15. So that means 50 times 15 equals $750. That means you would have been willing to lose $50 to make $750 in this trade. Do you guys understand me? Your stop loss was 3 pips. The market shut down your direction 45 pips. Now you're going to say 45 pips divided by my stop loss. It's like take profit divided by take profit, the pips of take profit. Remember the pips of take profit divided by the pips of stop loss. Now the market shot down your direction 45 pips to touch your take profit. When it did that, your stop loss was 3 pips. So that's why I'm saying 45 pips divided by 3 pips of your stop loss equals 15 times more. So you have made 15 times more your stop loss. If your stop loss was $70 or $10, that means you've made $10 times 15. So that's 15 times 10. You would have made $150. How much were you willing to lose? Just $10. You understand? If you have a smaller account and you're willing to lose $5, that means you've made 5 times 15. That means you've made $75. How much were you willing to lose? Just $5 to make $75. If you had $100 risk, if you wanted to risk $100, that means $100 times 15 equals $1,500. That means you've made 15 times more than your stop loss. So $1.5 is about 22,000. How much were you willing to lose? 1,500 rand. Am I making sense, guys? Am I making sense? Am I making sense? Someone want to unmute themselves? Tapelo, you can unmute yourself.
How's it, Austin?
Yeah.
Can you please go to current market and H1?
H1.
For GU. Yes.
Okay. H1. Current market.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, we here. What were you looking at?
I had an auto block. Okay, on this one. Over here.
Make it clear.
Okay, yeah. Do you see where you are? I can't
let me give you the. Now draw on my screen and give you access. Go to annotate and then draw.
Yes, annotate. On this one, let me change color.
I'll just wait for you.
You see this one? The one I drew.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had an auto block there, and the market just it went because here it killed me here because my stop loss was just here. So yeah.
Do you know why it hit?
No.
Check where it's coming from. It's coming from an auto block.
Yeah, from the current. I see. Yeah.
So this was consolidating. If you see what the market was doing here, it's consolidating. This is moving side. Can you see it?
Yeah.
With auto blocks, they will go. They have to go. So this wasn't going. This was moving sideways, but those were in. And that's why it hit your stop loss, because it has to go. And that's why it got. So this was a demand. So this, I think, supply remove this demand. And you find that there's a block somewhere here. That's why this one got removed. And this one is very close with this one. and you can see this one is very strong.